Parot oedd Peredur. Parot oedd yn hoffi canu. Bob bore wrth fwyta ei frecwast.
Earlier on, we met Rhiannon and Sioned from Cant o Mil o Freuddwydion, a website dedicated to helping parents read to their children before bed. But why was it important for the stories to be written in the Welsh language?
There isn't anything similar out there. There are equivalent versions of English websites with English stories and etc. and visuals, but there's nothing in Welsh. It's just come so natural to us, and we've been brought up listening to Welsh bedtime stories, so it only made sense to us to write ones and to put them up for people to read themselves then and hopefully enjoy.
As well as its linguistic choice, why create the stories using tech as opposed to a traditional book?
It might be something new for children, like, oh, there's a Welsh, app or a Welsh kind of stories online. So they might make like, oh, it's quite a cool new thing. If it's online, it can reach countries far away quicker than maybe in kind of on paper.
And spread it has. It turns out that Welsh speakers can even be found outside our borders.
What we know from our statistics, we found out that people in France and America have been reading our stories, and we can see exactly which story has been read the most as well. One story that's coming soon, hopefully, is about a girl named Poppy who hates plastic, and she's on a mission to create the most mess possible in her nearest shop that has plastic covered fruit and veg. And it's just a funny story about the fact that she's had enough, but it also is timely with the Greta Thunberg and all that protests and everything to do with the environment at the moment. So, but it's on a kid's level, on a children's level, and it's funny, but they also understand the importance of reducing plastic.